This is the ELECFRESH 360-degree rotating cup holder tray. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the base here and the tray. Simple as that. This tray is easy to clean. It just wipes clean. You can adjust the tabletop. I'm going to show all this to you in just a minute. You're going to have it centered or offset. And that really is all there is to it. So you have two positions here. Well, really three. Here, let me show you here. So you got one of these in the middle and one over here. Now, first thing I want to point out, this is metal. This is all metal. High quality stuff. This part's plastic. You put this in your cup holder in the car, and then you turn this. And you see the things coming out like that. So you turn it, and it goes that far, and it should tighten up in your cup holder, and then you're all set. Let me just run it back for now. Then what you do, very simply, is you take the tabletop, and it simply fits right in. That's it. And that will sit in your cup holder. It won't sit here because there's no cup holder. That'll sit in your cup holder just like that. Maybe this isn't going to work for you. No problem. You have that other guy over there. So let's take that off, and we can offset it. Let's line it up. And now you see how it's offset. So it'll kind of hang over a little long like that. Or maybe you want it the other way, so you can turn it all the way around and have it like that. Now this is going to put some strain on your cup holder, so you want to make sure it's in there, and I'd be careful about the amount of weight that you're going to put on that, because it will get a little heavy like that, but it will certainly do the job. This tabletop is 13 inches. So there's plenty enough room on there for a whole bunch of stuff. Let's go ahead and take this out to the car. So in the car, I have this mounted here. Just stick it in, turn that until it gets tight, and that's it. And now you can put this in. We'll try right over here. Now you have to line this up, and once you get it, it's in, just like that. And you can put anything you want on here. You might want to watch something on your phone. Now you'll want some sort of phone holder, or maybe your phone has a kickstand or something. Plenty of room for that. You could put that there. Or maybe you have a tablet instead. One day your phone's going to be this size, and that fits just fine as well. Or maybe it's lunchtime. That's not a problem. So we have a standard US size can like that, and here's a hamburger timer, but that'll work. I know this is smaller than what you get when you buy. Well, let's not kid ourselves, this is the size you get. So just like that, you can eat, you know, and still even have room for your phone, just like that. It all works real nice. And if you don't want it like this, you can offset it, like I said before. So we'll go to the other one. Now, I don't know if it'll fit this particular way in this vehicle. Let's give it a shot. Well, in this vehicle, it actually will work. It's sitting on top of the shifter, which is actually kind of nice because it gives you a little more stability. And you can still drive like this, as long as it's in park, I guess. No, when it's in drive, it'll be right here. It'll be fine. So you still have that available for you as well, so you can do that. Or we can turn it completely the other way. Which would be like that, and you still have room to put stuff. It's a little slidey in this case, but it's there, and it's, you know, if the car is not moving, then you got stuff there, and you're all set like that. So at least you have somewhere to put it down while you do that. Pretty nice all around. Once again, this was the ELECFRESH 360 degree rotating cup holder tray. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.